Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a little pinecone gnome ornament. So Lucy and I are going to go down into my backwoods and search out some pinecones. It's pretty steep going down to the ravine behind my property, but we have located some pinecones. These are pretty big ones, but we'll take them anyway. I'm going to collect extras because I'm going to use some in a table centerpiece for Christmas and the holidays. That looks like about enough. That should do for now. So we're heading back up on this steep hillside. It's quite steep here. It's cute how Lucy stops every once in a while and checks around to make sure it's safe. Okay, we're back, and I'm going to clean out some of these pine needles that are stuck to the pine cones. And we're back inside, and I've cleaned out all the needles, so let's see which one I'm going to use to make this gnome. And that one looks just about right. I just want to make a small gnome for this video. So I'll use this one for my gnome. So let's get started. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store. Over 2,000 patterns there, and many of them are free. Or on my Etsy site. HectaFavorites is my name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns there. And I'm going to start with a slip knot. And then I'm going to work a foundation chain that's approximately the same length as the pine cone. So I'm going to go ahead and chain any number. Like that. And now I'm going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, 1, 2, in each stitch across the row. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops on the hook. Now I'm going to go ahead and make one single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Like that, all the way across the row. Like that, I worked all the way across the row. Now I'm going to chain one and turn. And now I'm only going to work in the back side of the stitch. And you're going to start working in the second stitch from the hook. And you're going to single crochet in each stitch across the row, working only in the back side of the stitch. And you're going to repeat this row over and over. Like that. Until the work is long enough that it will wrap all the way around your pine cone. And now I'm going to fold this in half. And I'm going to slip stitch to join this into a tube. So pass through one stitch on one side and one stitch on the other, and then slip stitch to join this all the way down, forming a tube. Like that, all the way down. Okay, like that, I've joined it all the way down. And now you can fold this up to form the hat brim, like that. And I've broken off that end, and I'm going to slide my pine cone inside, like that. And now I'm going to take a glitter stem, fold it in half, and then approximately 1.5 inches up, I'm just going to twist these together like that. And now I'm going to gather the top of the hat, place that, and twist these two ends together in the front. Like that. And now with Elmer's glue or a glue gun, you can just place some glue on some of these and tack that hat down so that it stays permanently in place. Now I have another glitter stem, and I'm going to wrap that around the hat like that. And you can also just add little dots of glue underneath to hold that in place. And I have some little stars here, and I'm going to glue those on, again with either white glue or a glue gun. And I have a wooden bead, and again, I'm going to glue that onto my pine cone. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make this little pine cone gnome ornament. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.